I feel that this is a very good class to be taking, is to get everybody familiar with MIG welding and to get started in a job factory to get a production welding certificate.
I think it's a good opportunity to learn and to start with a certification. It's a good opportunity to get a job anywhere the welders are needed.
Then they go over there and they impress them on the first interview, and their stance and their positioning is a big key, and the manufacturer is going to work from there.
Every night it's been something new, something challenging. It keeps you on your toes. Once you think that you got the grasp on something, the instructor comes around and he shows you, hey, try this, and it gives you a whole new wide range of tools and tricks to try to perfect that bead and keep it going.
So far I've learned a couple of different techniques. It's challenging, but I like it. I'm learning right now the edge to edge, and it's pretty challenging, but I'm hoping to accomplish it.
It's important that NIACC offers programs like this to help people gain skill sets that wouldn't usually be able to gain these skill sets. It really opens up doors for people, and it's an awesome thing that they do here.